Today, I am going to talk about concrete 3D printing, the topic on which I am working at this moment. So, before understanding what is a 3D printing, we have to understand what is the total picture what we are talking about. We are talking about Industry 4.0 in construction. So, what is Industry 4.0? It has taken the cyberspace and physical space together to create a cyber-physical combination. In other words, we can say automation in manufacturing or automation in construction for our 3D printing. So before going further into what is my exact topic or how does it grow forwards, we will have a small look on the total picture of digitization.
So as we see here, we can see this is the bigger picture that we are talking about. It comes from planning phase to operations phase, and we have things like big data analytics and augmented reality, and also sensors and other things. These are also building information modeling is there. All this comes in mostly in the planning phases or the post printing phase, where we have the structural health monitoring or controlling the equipments. Now, where do we stand? We stand in the additive manufacturing, which is the integration of digital and the physical, or which is known as the digital physical integration layer. This diagram has been taken from BCG analysis to make it more understandable to you. The structure you see in the left is the first 3D printed structure of India, and it is present in the IIT Madras campus. As we go forward, we see that is a 3D printer. It has mostly 4 components. One is pumping or pumpability. Next is the extruding the mix so that it doesn't flow out, it retains itself when it gets extruded. Third is the buildability or the ability of it to stand, it should not fall down while getting printed. And the last one is automation, which is obviously we talked about. So what happens in this printing? It's the extrusion based printing. In this you see layer by layer deposition, and that's all it happens here. We'll discuss further.
So we are standing in front of a 3D printed structure which is claimed to be India's first 3D printed structure in our own campus IIT Madras. So we'll see some important things here, that it is printed as I've shown in the last section, that in layer by layer, and my main focus is to understand the behavior of each of this layer under the compression of subsequent loading and how it's going to affect the end product or the structural performance of the building. So in other terms, we call it buildability in 3D printing, which starts when the material is extruded out and it ends with the structural performance what we expect out of it. For now, it's all we can talk about. Thank you.